So once you open the link that I have sent you to VoiceThread, and after you have made an account, when you open your link, it will go directly to a page where you'll see a footprint, a carbon footprint. And when we say carbon footprint, we're referring mostly to the emissions, greenhouse gases that we as individuals emit. So that's why this picture is of a carbon footprint, whereas the test that you did online was an ecological footprint, which would also include the land resources and water resources that you are using. So you can think of both, or you can just concentrate on carbon footprint to answer the question. And you can also look in your dictionary to look at the difference between carbon and ecological footprint. But basically, VoiceThread. So if you look here, this is the how it looks, and you can't see it here. I don't think. Oh, yes, you can. Okay, so if you look at the bottom here, you'll see this little plus sign, and you see when I click on it, it turns black. When I click on that black icon, it'll give you some options. So you can record your voice. Again, you're going to need to use Firefox to record. Actually, I tried using my computer, and you can try yours, but my voice recorder wasn't working, but it's worked fine in the past. So actually what I did is I just used the telephone, and the ABC is the written comment. So if you click on ABC, then you're just going to type your comment below, and it will automatically come up on the page. But if you click on and the same with the recorder, if you click the recorder, it will prompt you to record your voice. But what I did, I used the telephone, so I clicked on the telephone, and then I just added my telephone number, and then it called me. I said call me, and it called me, and you just press 1, and then you leave your comments, and then that's all you do, and it will automatically show up here. So your picture will show up here. You should have a picture on your profile when you sign up for VoiceThread, or in general in your email, you should have a picture attached to it. So then to hear the comments, you would just click on it. There's my written comments, and then I just click on this.
I want you to think about your carbon footprint. So you did the carbon footprint
and so you can
quiz,
just hear my voice.
You,
and that's all that I want you to do. So I would like you to add a comment, either a written comment or a voice comment, using your phone or your computer microphone, and think about your carbon footprint and how you can reduce that. So what steps you can take in your daily life to reduce your carbon footprint.